everyone. Today I'm going to be showing you how to get past the checking for updates error on Windows Vista 64-bit edition and 32-bit edition. First of all, you're going to want to start by installing Google Chrome and Firefox. Then, in the link in the description, download all 4 of these updates. Each one will take about 2 minutes to install, and each one will require you to restart. I will get back to you after I've done that. Alright, I'm back. So after you do that, you're going to want to check for updates. It's going to take about 20 to 25 minutes to check for the updates, but after that it'll take a lot less time to check for updates. It'll be about 180 or so depending on which version, and after I'm done checking for them, I'll get back. Alright, I'm back. So after that, you're going to want to install all the updates, and then once you're done, I'm going to show you the last step to get Windows Vista fully working with most websites on Google Chrome. Last thing you're going to want to do is install the root certificate update for Windows Vista 32-bit and 64-bit edition. This fixes Google Chrome sign-in and most web pages from erroring that your connection isn't correct. It'll also fix most Internet Explorer 9 issues too. And after that, after the couple seconds it takes to install, you're good to go. Just enjoy, have fun with some retro gaming or whatever you have to do, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.